Within APA reference page citations, there are several common capitalization errors that occur. First, when presenting the authors, we will capitalize these names as we normally would. In other words, we will only capitalize the first letter of the author's last name and the first initial, as is shown here. The next common capitalization error that occurs often happens in article, book, and web page titles. For article, book, and web page titles, there are only certain words that are capitalized. We will capitalize the first word of the title, the first word of any subtitle, and any proper nouns, such as the name of a person, company, country, product, etc. These are the only letters that are capitalized. Everything else is lowercase. As previously mentioned, this unique capitalization rule applies to book titles, journal article titles, magazine and newspaper article titles, and web page titles. The remaining elements of our citations, such as press companies, journal titles, newspaper magazine titles, and website titles, are all capitalized normally. By following these capitalization rules, we can create a properly formatted reference page.